We are Safex. Fire safety begins with understanding how fire works. For a fire to exist, 3 elements must be present at the same time: fuel, heat, and oxygen. This is known as the fire triangle. When any one of these elements is removed, the fire can be extinguished. Fires are classified based on the type of fuel that is burning. Class A fires involve solid combustible materials like wood, paper, cloth, and plastics. Class B fires involve flammable liquids such as petrol, oil, grease, and solvents. Class C fires involve flammable gases or energized electrical equipment. Class D fires involve combustible metals and require special extinguishing agents. Class F fires involve cooking oils and fats, typically found in kitchen fires. Class L fires involve lithium and lithium-ion battery fires, which require specialized extinguishing methods. Using the wrong extinguisher on the wrong class of fire can make the situation worse. Let's begin by understanding the powder extinguisher. To operate a fire extinguisher safely, remember the pass method. Pull the safety pin. Aim the nozzle at the base of the fire. Squeeze the handle steadily, and sweep from side to side until the fire is out. Do not attempt to fight a fire if you do not know what is burning. Do not fight the fire if it is spreading rapidly, if there is heavy smoke, or if you do not have the correct extinguisher. Always position yourself with a clear exit behind you. If the fire cannot be controlled immediately, evacuate and alert emergency services. Together, let's create a safer environment. For technical assistance, reach out to us.